All right. Yes. So we have Ankit here with his class presentation. Yes, Ankit, you may please begin. See, Ankit, you can also try a way where you need not to read and read line by line. But what I encourage is, what is the entire meaning of this past continuous tense? How do we find out if a certain or if a line is written in past continuous tense or not? And what is the structure of that tense? है ना? आप कट टू कट शॉर्ट में बात करो और आप वही जानकारी दो जो कि सबको जाननी जरूरी है ना? और फिर उसके बाद आप एग्जांपल्स भी दो, आप उस टेंस को डिफाइन भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है? अगर आपको डिफिकल्टी आ रही है तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी लाइक इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हो, लाइक आर्यन, कैन यू ऐड समथिंग मोर टू इट? भविष्य, कैन यू ऐड समथिंग मोर टू इट? व्हाट कैन बी, हाउ कैन वी एक्सप्लेन इट? What other examples can be formed in not only past continuous but say maybe to begin with some simple past, right? So structure bhi batana hai, include the structure part also, right? I have not gone to school is present perfect, since it is have and has are always used in present, right? So I was doing my work. So here I have used was and I have used ing form with do. So it shows an action which I was doing in past. And if something is going on in past, it actually can be stated in past continuous. The structure should be like second form of verb, and it should have ing in it, right? Am I of any help? Have I made some points clear? All right, Ankit. So this much only. Now there are other students too in the queue. Who else would like to present? Shri Mishra. Anybody from offline class? Would anyone like to take the mic and would like to present? Rudra, come. Yes, Bhavishya, after Rudra, you should take. Okay.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, friends. I am Rudra, and today I am going to present you something about simple past tense. And I am going to start, so please be ready. So, a simple past tense used to indicate an action completed in the past. For example, Rudris cooked the food in the evening. Cooked the food in the And the second point I would like to represent you is it is also used to narrate a story. For example, once upon a time, there lived a farmer in the Prayagraj city. And the third point I would like to represent you is used to express a habitual or regular action in the past. Means it is the action that we are always doing or that is our habit. So it is indicate it in the past. So the we all went to the school daily. This is the example of this. And the structure of simple past tense is subject plus did not plus subject plus root or form of verb. And the negative structure of simple past tense is subject plus did not plus root form of the verb. For example, she did not play in the park. Did you have any doubt? Sorry for the mistake. Do you have any doubt? So now I give you the example of an interrogative simple past structure. So di- did she go to did she gone to mall? Did she go to mall yesterday? The structure of simple past interrogative is did plus subject plus root form of the verb. So the example of this is did she go to the mall yesterday? Ankit, can you please give me some more examples? Thank you, Ankit. Bhavishi, can you please give me a example of simple past negative sentence? I am asking about simple past negative, not interrogative. Negative. Welcome, Bhavish. Welcome. Welcome, Bhavish. With these words, I would like to invite you for your presentation. You may start.
They are very much enjoying. I know, even if they don't say, I will take it that they are liking my class. I'm all the, even if they don't, I am happy that they will be happier, because I would like to keep myself in a positive spirit. That is my mantra. Varna, if I keep thinking that, oh, I have given many instructions but none of the students are listening to me, so by thinking so I'll be super sad, right? So I will think that, yeah, my students are listening to me. है ना? And yes, Bhavish, now you may please start. As we are running short of time, so I may give you only 1 minute or maybe 1 minute plus 10 seconds, right? So do not mind. You can tell us in general which tense would you like most, and what can be the structure, and where that tense can be used. But you said कि I have sent the courier, yes? But if we pay attention, Bhavish, that I have sent the courier, so it means the task has already been done. Yes or no? है ना? So ये I have sent या I have sent, ये कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर हो गया? ये हो गया प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का, है ना? So I think with this I would like to close my class, and most of the classes are moving now to their respective rows. So I would take up more in my next lecture, right? And very soon I'll be making videos on book review, how to write a book review, right? And we'll be introducing it to your batch too, right? So till then, you people can keep reading, keep enjoying, and I shall meet you very soon.